Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and in this video, still on images, we want to see how we can work on background images. Okay, we want to see how we can add background image to our text and how it will come out. Okay, so to add a background image on an HTML element, you use HTML style attributes and the CSS background property. Okay, good. So you remember our HTML attributes where we spoke about properties and values. Okay, so with your attribute you can declare property and its value, right? Good. So we want to work on this now, so let's just copy this. Okay, and let's come to our VS Code. Okay, so we want to paste this here. Good. So now if we save this and go to our page, it won't show this image because we don't have this image in our code base. Okay, this is not the image part we have in our code base. Okay, good. So if we want to use ours now, we can easily just do this, and then it's in our images. Okay, so our images, then our example dot webp. So let's save it and let's come back to our browser. Okay, now it's not going to show because we have not. Let's put something in between. Okay, let's say this is an example. Okay, then let's close our p tag. Okay, then let's save it and come back to our browser. Can you see now we have given a background to our text? Okay, but we cannot see our text because black cannot show properly on black. Okay, so we have to give our style another property and a value of white. Okay, and that property of color and the value of white. Okay, good. So let's say color. Okay, color. Okay, then we want to use white, right? Good, white. Then we save it. By the time we come back to our browser, we have it there, white, on our background image. Okay, so we can try to add, let's give it some paddings. Okay, let's give it padding. So let's give it padding. Let me bring it down so you can see everything we are doing. Let's give it padding. So you can see how we are separating the entries with semicolon, right? Good, so that it doesn't module together. So let's give padding of let's say 20px. Okay, padding of 20px. So it gives it on all sides. Okay, good. So let's save that and let's come back to our browser. Can you see now? So it has given it paddings. Okay, good, on each side, top, bottom, left, right. Okay, good. So we can try to narrow it down and say we want our padding to be padding top only. Okay, so put an hyphen, then put top, padding top only, then we'll save it. We'll see that the padding will only come all at the top. Okay, good. So if we decide to say we want padding down also, or padding bottom. Okay, so we can decide to say we want padding bottom. Okay, then want to give that let's say we give that 50px. Okay, then we save that. By the time we come here, see that it has a pattern. It has the padding bottom already. Okay, let's give it by the left. Okay, you can see the T is close to the edge. Okay, so let's give it that padding left. Okay, padding left. Okay, then we want to give padding left let's say 100px. Okay, so don't be random with your figures when you are designing. You have to be exact so that you are giving proper padding. But for example, you are just doing this for example's sake. Can you see now we have moved it to this side? So that's that about making images backgrounds in your P. Okay, you can try to do this and make it like a background in the whole of our body. Okay, in our next video we'll talk about that, but do how to practice, follow, comment and share. I'll see you in the next video.